today. I hope you guys are having a lovely day. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It is just below. And if you're ready to come back, hello, welcome back today. So it's very enthusiastic. It's very good. I like it. So today I'm going to show you a really simple smoky eye look. Very, very simple. Only using kind of for eyeshadows. This is from the Beauty Crop. This is £7. I got this from the Body Shop. The Body Shop? No, I got this from Birchbox. I can't even open it. This is good. There you go. Yeah, so Birchbox is something I subscribe to, and I get makeup and I get to play with it, and that's one thing I really like about it. But yeah, this is what I'm going to show you, how to really make a really lush, really simple, quick, easy, smoky eye look in no time. So let's just get into this video, guys, and show you guys how to make this look. Okay, so first off I'm going into this kind of coffee brown, I would say, and this is just going to go all over my crease. I have primed my eyes already. I will link it in the description box of all the makeup I'll be wearing today. So the one thing I like about this palette is the fact of it's just simple. It's got 3 colours in. It's a really easy way to kind of make an eyeshadow look with these colours, so that's what I really like. So how is everyone doing with the heat? Because to be honest, I'm not doing well. Like, I felt so poorly the last couple of days, like seriously under the weather. Like, oh my god, like it was like I wanted to be sick, and like I felt really like my stomach really hurt, but nothing happened. I was just like, oh my god. And I think it was to do with the heat and how hot it's been. Sorry if you can't hear me that well. I have to have the fan on because we don't have air conditioning and it's boiling hot. It's meant to be 34 degrees today, which is absolutely insane. And yeah, so I was like, I need the fan just blowing on my back. So I'm really sorry if the sound quality is super bad today. I was like, I want to record, but at the same time it's just way too hot to not have the fan on. So I'm very, like, I'm just blending this out, just really making sure it's all blended out. Okay, so that's all nicely blended out. I'm now going into the darkest colour of this palette, this one just here, and this again is going in the crease and the corner of my eye, the outer corner. But again, I'm just blending, and I'm gonna just keep blending this one out. So this isn't going as far round as the other one. This is kind of stopping about here. Okay, so that's all blended in nicely. Now I'm going to put the brush down, and I'm actually going to use my finger to go back into this beautiful colour, and this is going to go on my eyelid. Yes, I've already used it in my crease, but there's a massive difference from using your finger for a product. Look at this. So this is my finger, and then I will show you with a brush. Like, they come out super, super differently. And then this is with a brush. See, there's a big difference. I like to use my finger and kind of blend out this. See, it's more coppery when you use your finger. Like, it's so much bolder. Okay, and now I'm going into the final colour, this one here, and that's going to go in the corner of my eyelid. Again, I'm just using my finger. I don't know why. I find it so much easier to use my finger, and I think it looks really pretty. Okay guys, I'm going to finish off the rest of my makeup and show you guys the final look. Okay guys, this is the final look for the day. Absolutely love it. Super easy to do this kind of eyeshadow look. Just do a close up. Super pretty. Really happy with it. I will link all the makeup I am wearing today in the description box, so you guys, if you want, can recreate this look. But yeah, leave a comment on what you thought of this eyeshadow look. Is it something you like? Is it not? Or if you just want to have a conversation, comment below. Well, thanks for watching today guys. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and most importantly, don't forget to click that subscribe button. It is just below, and I hope you guys have a lovely day.